today, tourists, allow me to introduce myself first. My name is Mona, your very own tour guide for today. Are you all excited? Yes! Because today, you will discover a new place that you will surely love. Let's go, tourists! Welcome to Dariano Cacao Farm. Dariano Cacao Farm is a family-owned agri-farm tourism that practices organic cacao farming. And this farm established in the year 2015 and managed by Miss Magnolia Dariano. So let's go. Let's go, tourists. Welcome. So as we enter the gate, we can see a lot of welcoming animals like bees, different kinds of dogs, and cats. So now, tourists, let's go to our first stop. Welcome to their herbal bath area. Alright, tourists, so this is their herbal bath area.
What is herbal bath?
Okay. Herbal bath, also known as kawa bath. Ito po yung malaking kawa with a combination of warm water with different kinds of relaxation with. Ayan, you can see. And also there's flowers. You can touch the water and you can smell.
Ilan tao pwede dyan?
Ayun, total of 5 kawas, 2 for group of friends or family kawa, which is pwede po siya up to 6 packs. Ito po yun. And 3 single kawas. Pag gusto nyo naman po mag-relax na mag-isa lang, at mag-muni-muni, mag-meditate, ayan, napaka-perfect po ng kawas. So you can now explore this area. Now, let's go to see their accommodations. So, in this farm, we have a total of 2 accommodations. This is the first one, modern Ifugao hut, which is, it costs 5,000 per night and it can accommodate up to 6 packs. And this area, oh, so many duyan, ah. Yeah. So this is the accommodation that they have. This is Casaleo. It can accommodate up to 7 packs. And 7,000. And definitely ang kusina, pwede kayong magluto. So, magdadala lang kayo ng food and pwede kayong magluto. So, may talaga siyang kitchen. And they also have their own windmill, yan, para po mag-support and mag-sustain din ng kanilang water dito sa buong farm. So now, let's go to the next stop, which is the function hall. Okay, so as you can see here, tourists, this is their chocolate mini bar counter. Ayan, hindi pa siya nadi-displayan sa ngayon. But soon, mag-function na rin siya. Magdi-display din ng mga iba't ibang drinks from cacao. Ayan, including the cacao chocolate drinks. Ayan, and other drinks na from cacao. And then, this is their function hall, which is, dito nila pinaprocess yung cacao from fruit to tableta. Now, let's go to this area. So, this is their rooftop. Ayan, rooftop po ito ng kanilang function hall wherein, welcome. This is their rooftop wherein pwedeng paghaldan ng events. Ayan. Events place and it can accommodate up to 50 packs. Ayan. Lahat ng iba't ibang events ay pwede po dito. Birthdays, including weddings. Ayan. Pwede rin po dito. So, you have that beautiful view. Windmill. The trees. Ayan. And yan, as you can see here, makikita niyo rin po yung balcony na isang accommodation nila, which is yung Casa Rio. So are you all ready to see a lot of cacao trees?
Yes, we are.
Makikitang mulberry. Sorry. Let's go, tourists! So, this lot has a total of 1 hectare and it has a total of 1,000 cacao trees. Ayan. Ang tawag po sa variety ng kanilang cacao ay Hybrid Trinitario. So, as you can see, this cacao, unripe pa siya, but if it's ripe, yan, magka-color orange po siya. And then, another one here. Ayan. This one is ripe already. As you can see, yellow siya. This one, pag hilaw siya, color green siya. So, magkaiba yung dalawa.
Magkaiba yung
This one is ganito po yung color nung nakita niyo
Ripe
po.
na yan. Unripe.
Unripe. Ganito po yung
green
color
yung
na.
Unripe.
This one is unripe po. Ayan.
Other variants.
Opo, pag hinog na siya, ayun po siya sa tinuro ko kanina, which is
Color
yung
yellow.
Color yellow.
Nice.
So, cacao in scientific term is Theobroma cacao, which means food of God. Wow. Food of God. Food of God pala ang cacao. So,
Goddess? Oh, we are.
Food of God. Hindi pa for us, but going there. Pa-ripe na po yung
Wala
ganun.
siyang ano, no? Yung ayun tawag dito, dagta, no?
Apo, yes po.
How about those color like that?
This is the fruit of
Ito
cacao.
pong
Ganitong color.
Not ripe already.
Bulok na po siya, so hindi na po siya dry. So, para kung
This is
hinahayaan na
overripe?
lang siyang
Overripe.
decay.
Para, ano?
The rotten one is the
overripe.
So, let's go. Let's move to this. This also is ripe. You can see here a lot. So tourists, this will be the end of our journey. I hope you enjoyed, learned, and discovered a lot of things. And thank you so much for being with me today. Thank you!